Hey guys, the purpose of this video is to show you how to repair a flat out drink water hose when it's got a hole part way along. We're going to do this with either an end repair kit or a join repair kit. So near the end of the hose, I've chopped the original end off. We do have another video available for how to recover the snap fitting and the rubber for you to make your own end repair kit. But for this video, we're using the one that you can purchase from our website. So I've chopped that off, but before I marked the fact that there was a little bit of a hole here and it's been used a fair bit. There can be multiple reasons, but if you want to be able to fix things on the road, this is a fantastic method. I'm just going to chop below the hole. Now I've got two parts here. This is a stainless steel 316, so that's medical grade hose clamp. And the rubber to help you spread the load and so not make any damage to the hose when you do the compression. This is the barbed fitting. Now this particular fitting you can't buy at a hardware store because hardware store snap fittings for standard hoses are much smaller for the barbed piece. They're only 12mm. This one's 19mm. When we put it together, we're going to be aiming to put the pressure over the top barb, and we also need to leave enough gap so that when you use the hose, the outer ring can slide down still. So I've inserted the hose into the rubber. Now I'm going to insert the brass in to there, and then I'm going to tighten the screwdriver. I've actually got this backwards and I'm left-handed and I can't do that. Video, whatever. I'm gonna do the screwdriver and tighten this one. And then we will have a fitting. All right, we're not going to put this under pressure right now. You get the gist. It will be just as strong as the original crimp and everything continues to work for you. The difference between the end repair kit and the join repair kit is not a lot. It's actually just two end repair kits with a standard hose joiner, which means if you wanted to make a repair halfway down your hose, you just chop your hose where the hole is. You can then do either hose and give yourself two new hoses that way. The longer hose you would put back in your multi-reel, and the shorter hose you can roll up, put separately somewhere else. That's it. That easy.